Govardhana Puja lecture by Srila Prabhupada. Today, we celebrate the day Lord Ka, also known as Giridhar, lifted the mountain Govardhana. This event is known as Govardhanapi Jaivat Macron, and it is celebrated annually to commemorate this miraculous event. According to Vedic literature, there are many demigods who control various aspects of the material world. For example, Indra, the king of heaven, controls the rain. The people of Vandwana, where Ka lived, were farmers and depended on good rains for their crops. Therefore, they performed an annual sacrifice to Indra to ensure good rains. Ka, although a young boy, was the supreme personality of Godhead. He knew everything, but he pretended to be ignorant and questioned his father, Nanda Maharaja, about the sacrifice. Ka asked his father about the purpose, the beneficiary, and the method of the sacrifice. Nanda Maharaja explained that the sacrifice was to appease Indra, the rain god. He said that Indra controls the rain, which is essential for agriculture and life. He emphasized the importance of following the Vedic tradition of offering sacrifices to the demigods. Ka presented an atheistic argument, similar to the Karmamim's philosophy. He argued that everyone is born and dies according to their karma, and that even if there is a God, he is obliged to give results based on our actions. He questioned the need to appease Indra, suggesting that we should focus on our own work and duties. Ka emphasized the importance of following one's dharma, or natural duty. He said that everyone is controlled by the modes of nature and should perform their work according to their nature. He condemned those who abandon their own profession and take up others, comparing them to unchaste women. Ka presented the Skhya philosophy, which states that the universe is created and maintained by the interaction of the three modes of material nature: goodness, passion, and ignorance. He argued that rain is caused by the heat and evaporation of water, and that there is no need to worship Indra. Ka's arguments convinced his father and the other cowherds to stop the sacrifice to Indra. Ka suggested that they should worship Govardhana hill, where he herded his cows. This act of worship is symbolic of our dependence on the natural world and our need to respect and protect it. Indra, angered by the cancellation of the sacrifice, sent torrential rains upon Vandwana. The people of Vandwana were in distress, and they turned to Ka for protection. Ka lifted Govardhana hill, sheltering the people and their cows from the rain for 7 days. Govardhanapi Jaivat Macron celebrates Ka's victory over Indra and his protection of the people of Vandwana. It teaches us the importance of respecting the natural world and protecting it from harm. It reminds us that Ka is the Supreme Lord, who can protect us from all dangers.